Welcome to a quick demo of Copilot in Excel. Let's click the upper right Copilot button. It will open the Copilot panel, and we just click on Show Data Insights to get some first ideas of what is in the data. So it takes a few seconds, and then we can see the first graph already generated, and it says donation amount by donation date. Let's create a new sheet out of that. Sheet looks quite interesting. That's very cool. Let's just go back and try a prompt. Let's try to understand where the donation amount is more than $100, and let's try to get a symbol to indicate the donation amount. Yes, I like these arrows. Let's apply that one. So it's cool. Now we can already see an indicator on the column for the donation amount. Let's try to get some more insights and ask for the donor's last donation, and we try to get this as new columns to see how long the donation, when the last donation was happening. So days since last donation, and we can see that that Excel created a nice formula to get this insight. Let's try to understand the effectiveness of different communication channels like emails and phone, and let's also see what insights we will get out of here from Copilot. So Copilot comes up with another sheet. So let's have a look into that one. And now we can see that how efficient emails and phone is. Let's go back and let's see some more information. We want to understand the frequency and the donation amount, and how is this related to the occupation. So let's see which occupations the donors have, and how is this related to the donation amount. So let's also create a new sheet for that one. So we use the Add to a New Sheet button, and we can see that lawyers and sales managers are the highest donors. Let's now also compute the lifetime value, so the total donations over time, and see what is the outcome of this one. I also want to get a new column for this, and let's take this one, insert column, and now we can see the lifetime value, also created with a formula. Let's have a look in the seasonal trends, and this time Copilot should come up with several new columns, 4 in total, 1 column for each season. Let's take them. So just click on Insert Columns, and now we got 4 additional columns. So that's cool. So let's say thank you, Copilot. And then one more thing. So show data insights, and we will do this one more time. So let's get some more insights automatically generated by Copilot. I would love to have one dashboard that collects the insights that we generated. So I was adding all the insights to the grid, and now I have a nice overview on graphs based on my data, and that's all just within a couple of minutes. Thank you for joining.